CPAs are really one of the top 3 targets for cyber hackers because we have so much data. That led to Harold really revamping our entire system and then expanding his knowledge to now where he's one of the top cybersecurity experts, probably in the United States.
We even had somebody set up a website in a company called PHMM Accounting. We're PHMM CPA, and tried to set it up to get our invoices. But we detected that before it got very far. The biggest disconnect is everybody looks at it from the point of finance. I'm paying for something that I'm not needing or may not need. The first thing you have to realize is that a lot of times, especially for CPAs and attorneys, they're less after you than they are after your clients. Even small CPA firms and stuff, they go after them because it's their clients. On an average system that has your firewall set up properly, has your set up properly, etc., it's almost 2 years before you detect somebody being in your system.
The easiest things you can really do: set up a firewall, make sure it's implemented properly. Emails tend to be the biggest vector for attacking that you'll have as a small business. Don't just open emails randomly. Even if you kind of recognize it, don't just open it and click on links without checking. You also, in your emails, want to make sure that you can see the full return address of that email. Make sure it's not just a name. We recommend that everyone the premium version of an antivirus software.
There are several things that don't cost anything you really need to look at and get done.